I can watch YouTube videos all day, but it's not hands-on. And it's only so much that you get. You get more than just the skills on being able to rap, being able to tint. You also get the marketing side of it. So it's like, hey, how do I promote this rap job? How do I promote being able to tint? How do I get it out there? How do I set aside my pricing from the next guy pricing? That's type of stuff that you don't get from YouTube. My name is Walter Miles. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee. I run a shop in Memphis called Underrated Custom. We do auto body and collision repair. I wanted to add new things to the shop, be able to make more money, be more profitable. So I came to Right Look. I ended up doing the wrap class and the tint class. So I did the package deal to add wrap and tint to my shop to be able to add different things to the customers and be able to please the customer more. I've been in the auto industry for about 12 years. I was actually just searching for wrap to be able to do vehicle wrap. Like I said, I do auto body and collision, but you have some people that don't want to actually change the paint on the car, and so they'd rather just wrap it for the resale value. And so I was looking into vehicle wrap for the customers that come in and want to change the color, but don't want to actually sand the car down and paint it. And Right Look was one of the first ones that came up. Coming in, I had no experience with like wrap other than doing like little small pieces that I practice on. The first day, you're taking in a lot of information, but after that, you actually getting hands-on, and it's like you actually doing it. Well, me being able to like doing auto body and collision, I was kind of familiar with the cutting part of it, but it's kind of different with the material that you're using. So when you get ready to paint somebody's car, you know, painting clear is kind of thick. With that wrap, it's kind of thin and delicate, so you want to be easy with it. And so when we left from out the classroom and actually came in and, to go on the hood, it was like, hey, I watch these videos, they make it look easy, but when you actually get out here, you have to pay attention and be, you know, be patient with it. Cutting and tucking really makes the wrap job look like paint. So that's the goal. You want to make it look as close as paint as possible. So that way, people that don't wrap or, you know, not familiar with paint and wrap, they walk up on it and be like, man, that's a cool paint job. You knowing that it's a wrap job, that means you did a good job. I can watch YouTube videos all day, but it's not hands-on, and it's only so much that you get. So the guys that do YouTube, they're 99% of them, I say probably 98% of them are just do-it-yourselfers, so they don't even know the type of stuff that we learn by coming to the class. You get more than just the skills on being able to rap, being able to tint. You also get the marketing side of it. So it's like, hey, how do I promote this rap job? How do I promote being able to tint? How do I get it out there? How do I set aside my pricing from the next guy pricing? That's type of stuff that you don't get from YouTube. So depending on where you at, what area you in, you don't know, you know, what you want to charge for the wrap and stuff like that. You don't even know the prices of the wrap and which wrap to use until you actually come to the class, and then you can know the difference. That way you're saving yourself money, and then you're also helping the customer by giving them the best product. You don't know, like I said, when you go on the internet, you search for a wrap, hey, you're probably gonna go with the cheapest thing that pop up or the first thing that pop up, not knowing what you're using. So it's best to get in the class and find out what you're dealing with. We all came in blind, and so like we was all blind to rap. None of us was familiar with it. So being able to work with them guys, some took it on quicker. So when we were stretching the film, putting it on, some guys were like, hey, let's do it this way, or we need the glasses here. Our agent was very informational. Like I said, the first day we did the classroom. He actually knows his stuff. He taught us a lot. When you come out, like I said, Adrian or any of the other guys, even German was helpful with some of the rapping and the tint stuff in the class. He's every information. Everybody here is willing to help and give you info, because you get a lot of one-on-one. So if you make a mistake, or you run into something and you're not sure what to do next, hey, your instructor is like right there. You don't have to wait. You're not in line waiting on 4 other guys, 5 other guys that got a question. It's like right there, and you get it. Anything you need to know, or how to fix this mistake, how to get this bubble out. As soon as you go to your instructor, he's right there to help you out. I got other guys that work with me at the shop, so I plan on getting them more involved, like I said, with the wrap, with the tint, and hopefully come back and add detail into it. Like I said, I want to add as much as possible and take advantage of everything that Right Look has to offer. If you've been looking into it, like I said, take advantage of it. I've been in the auto industry, like I said, 12 years. It's nothing like working for yourself, being your own boss. You can take a trip when you want to take a trip. You come to Right Look when you want to come to Right Look. And it's the best decision I made as far as being a business owner and being able to add window tinting and wrapping and auto detailing to my business.